I am a developer who codes a lot in C# and JavaScript. As such, I have often come across a nasty mistake that always annoys me and costs me time, but which I also see more often in other developers. In this video, I will show you exactly what I mean. If you are a C# developer, you are probably familiar with dictionaries. This is one of the things you use almost every day in C#. You define a dictionary where you specify the type for the key and the type for the value, and then you can add values, e.g. using the add method. To read values, you can use the try_get_value method. However, you will probably often use the indexer to write to or read from the dictionary, as it is often more convenient. If we now switch to JavaScript, there is something comparable to dictionaries here. Here it is called map. Here, of course, the types for key and value are not fixed, unless we are using TypeScript, so a key can be a string, for example, and another key in the same map can be a number. But that's not what I'm getting at. It shouldn't bother us any further. Let's look at how we can add or read entries to the map. This is quite simple. We call the set function to write a value to a key in the map, and we use the get function to read a value from a key. Simple, isn't it? What could you possibly do wrong? Well, let's remember the dictionary in C#, where we can simply work with the index operator, with the square brackets. And this is where it gets tricky. We can also work with the square brackets in a map object in JavaScript. But when we add a value in this way and look at the map, we see that the map still has no entries. Why is that? Well, the index operator can be used in JavaScript on any object of any type to access the properties of that object. The point is that when you use this index operator on a map object, you are not reading or writing an entry in the map, you are simply reading or writing a property of that name in the object. If you now fill this map object with the index operator and then pass it to a function that uses the map correctly, the function will not find any entries and will not produce the desired result. This has been a problem for me on a few occasions, and each time it has taken a lot of time to solve. What about you? Has this ever happened to you, and has it ever annoyed you? Feel free to let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of my videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.